Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So in this today's video, I'm going to cover two-piece set of India brand, which is in a very super duper prices. So before starting the video, I'll just request you everybody, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Please keep on commenting also in the comment section that you love my collection and what type of things you want in the future. This actually really mean for me, and I also get updates like my customer are loving it or not like that. So let's start the video with the first article. The first article is this one. So I want to tell everybody that these are the original brand. We don't sell copy. And if anybody can prove us that these are copy pieces or something, like, I am ready to pay 10,000 rupees to those those person. So that is a surety. Whatever brands we are selling, we don't sell copy. So this is the first piece. You can have a look. This is in a muslin fabric. टू पीस आएगा, बहुत ही प्यारा फैब्रिक रहता है एंड समर्स में कंफर्टेबल भी बहुत रहता है. And you can have a look. It's actually a printed, and inside both the sides you will find a cut, and in front also you will find a cut, right? Just a very little cut, and like buttons are there. These are just a first button, you can open it. Rest are just for the show purpose they have given. Back side also they have given the same. And now we'll show you the bottom of this piece. Little similar to the this piece, they have given a in a stripe manner. So this is a beautiful bottom you can see with this piece, and it's actually a very nice piece. You can have a look like this, right? Now let's start with the second article. So this is a second article which is in a brown color, and you can have a look that this is the work, yoke work properly over here, India brand, and all the sizes I have small to XL. In this, till last size is XL. So you there is a proper MRP tags, everything is there. All are two piece right now, which I am showing. So muslin fabric printed form, very beautiful pieces. You will surely love it while wearing. Still, if you have any inquiry regarding these articles, you're always welcome to ask anytime. Either you can WhatsApp me or you can post the comment in the comment section that whatever you wanted to ask. So this is a bottom of this piece. So like this it will come. Simple method to buy. You just take the screenshot and send on my WhatsApp number. These are very comfortable. Again, I'm repeating, and will show you the prices also soon. Watch the video till end. This is another very beautiful print, and you can see the little foil work is also given, and floral print, very beautiful. Comfortable तो है ही है. ठीक है. Bottom दिखाऊंगी अब इसका. And if you talk about the MRP tags, what is the MRP mentioned over in the tags? That is 2,700, but you have to pay very less amount for this according to the MRP. So this is the bottom with this piece. So 27 is the MRP mentioned in these, but you have to pay only rupees 900 for these sets. Only rupees 900 for these. These are muslin. These are not cotton. So that's why if anybody is feeling like the price is high or something like that, but according to the fabric, the price came. So muslin fabric, everybody know it's little costly than the cotton one. So this is another article. You can just simply take the screenshot. If you want more comfort, accordingly we need to pay. So, and prices are actually the fixed prices. No, please, it's a request not to bargain. And 900 is these article. Small to XL. So this will be the bottom, right? Now the last article of this video is, this is a blue color, like this. Bottom they have given in a all over is not there. If in every article, like some contrast, they have put a different design according to the, they have picked it from the kurta. and so they came. So many people don't like all over prints, so it's very good for them. They can go with that. And just simple method to buy is take the screenshot and send on my WhatsApp number. That's it. And take care. Bye bye.